Have you ever noticed your toothbrush bristles? I just spit like a good little spit there. Whoops. Have you ever noticed your toothbrush bristles get like a solid hard? Like you bought a soft toothbrush and it feels awkwardly firm all of a sudden? After researching info from my video about changing your toothbrush every 3 months, which I'll link below, I came across some really interesting information about how to prevent your toothbrush bristles from hardening. So I'm gonna share that with you. They may be hardening because 1, you haven't changed your toothbrush in a long time. Referring back to my video a few weeks ago, you should always be sure to change your toothbrush every 3 months. Whether it's a manual toothbrush, get a whole new one, or if it's an electric toothbrush, change the head. Number 2, it might be hardening because of the water in your home. If you have a lot of minerals, the minerals in hard water may be building up on your toothbrush, making them firm and hard. If that's the case, try using boiled water or distilled water and rinse your brush with that every day instead of your tap water to prevent them from getting stiff. Number 3, another idea is that the toothpaste you're using may be staying in the base of the bristle tufts, like getting stuck there, which leads to it hardening and drying out. This actually shortens the effective length of the bristles, which can make your toothbrush feel and actually become stiffer. In this case, if it has nothing to do with your hardened water, maybe your water is great, no minerals, just make sure you're rinsing your toothbrush thoroughly after you use it. Even use your thumb to help kind of rinse the bristles out. And only use your thumb to, work the bristles out after you've washed your hands. Don't be doing that without washing your hands, y'all. And number 4, the last thing I've seen that might be causing this, and this is truly just from my personal experience. I didn't even see this one anywhere on the web, but I've noticed that sometimes my toothbrushes get hard immediately after I whiten my teeth. It's because, you brush your teeth probably after you whiten and all that goop gets up on your toothbrush, and I'm probably not rinsing all these things combined. I'm not rinsing it well and it's hard to rinse well. I'm using my thumb. My solution is I have a special toothbrush for when I whiten. I use this toothbrush just to remove the whitening product off my teeth, and then I rinse my mouth and continue using my regular toothbrush for my regular brushing of my teeth. So I have a specific toothbrush just for after whitening. And of course I have my toothbrushes. I have one for the morning, one for the night. And my travel toothbrush, I have a couple of travel toothbrushes. I have one for my purse, one for my backpack, one for my luggage. So I realize I have a lot of toothbrushes. But my name is also Teeth Talk Girl. I'd love to hear if any of these tips helped you or gave you like that aha moment. Like, oh, that's probably why my toothbrush bristles keep hardening or something like that. I'd love to hear in the comments below. Or if you have any other ideas on why this is happening or any tips or tricks on how to prevent this from happening, let us know, because this is a community of teeth-loving humans. I do not have all the answers, but I try to get as many tips and tricks as I can. Thank you all for watching. Peace, love, and teeth.